We've seen how we can format text automatically or manually, so now it's time to see how we can format a worksheet. So first of all, we're going to create a new style, a page style. Format, styles and formatting, so F11, and then go here to page styles. We've got the default, create a new one, so right click, new, and name it as you like, my style. After that, so first of all, we're going to see what happens with the default style. So for example, if I click on the page preview, I've got my tables and the data, nothing else. What I can do is apply my style and then start modifying it. So I'm going to add, for example, a background. It's going to be gray, and then border. So the border is going to be something like this, for example. Just OK. I'm going to see the result. Page preview. Then see here. So this is the result. So you can see that there is the problem is that we cannot see the border here. So I'm going to different. There you go. So my style, and now page preview. So I've got the border here, and I've got the background color, which is gray. Then I can modify some more stuff or things or whatever. Modify background. I can add a header. So same content left and right if I want, left margin, right spacing, etc. And here it's more, so I can have a border like something like this for the header, and again background, etc. and the spacing to content, and then edit. And now it's time to indicate what we're going to have as a header. So we've got fields. We've talked about fields. So we can have something like this. So this is the title. This is the title of the document. So the document is called Untitled 1. So this is the document title, and then you've got none or page 1 of something. So here you've got the number of pages, the number of the actual page, and then the total number of pages, confidential, etc., etc. So you've got left arrow confidential, the page number, and you've got the date. Or you've got here, you can enter the sheet name, scores. You can see here the name. I can just click here and put it and insert it. So do not forget to click the area in which you want to add a field. You've got page, the number of pages, page something of, and then the number of total pages, which is the same thing as this. So it's a predefined format. Then you've got the date, and then you've got the time, and then of course you've got created by, and then you've got the name of the author, the date, and the page number, etc., etc. So you can see that you've got some things. So you can page 1, so you've got the name of the page, the number of the page, and then the name of the document. So you can play around as much as you want. So if I write something like that, and then OK, and page preview, here I've got my my header here, and then I can play around some more and decide on the footer. Again, the same thing, OK, etc., etc. And then I've got the sheet here. So we activate the footer, and then we've got the sheet. So is the page order is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 is going to be something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, the numbering. Do we want the first page to be numbered? What we want to print? We've seen before whether we want our comments and drawing objects and etc. to be printed, and then the scaling mode. Reduce, enlarge, print out, fit, print, range, width, height, and number of pages. And so we've seen the borders, background, the page. So we've got the page format, so we want an A4, A3, etc. The width, if it's a customize, I think there's customize here. We can just write it down. If we want to change it, user, there you go. It's called the user, and we can have a new format. Then we've got the margins. You can see here the margin where nothing is printed. Page layout, mirrored, only right, only left. Format, table alignment. You can see here horizontal and vertical alignment. Is for printer settings, and here you go exactly. Well, you can always change the style, the style name. So we've got OK, then we go to preview, and we've got something like this. There you go. So we've got the header, and apparently I forgot to write something in the footer. So for example, footer, edit, and I can just have the time. So there you go. So I've got my style sheet, my sheet, spreadsheet, where I've got the header and the footer here, and I've got the background in gray, and then I've got a border all around the table. So this is your way of customizing your spreadsheet. So if you want, you can go to elements and then again click my style, and then elements to my style, etc., etc. if you want to apply the formatting to one style sheet or to one sheet or more.